everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to code post on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. So in order to code a post, you'll have to repost it. Now click on the repost button. Here you can see two options to repost and code. Now click on the code option and here you can type in your code. If you click on the paperclip button, you can attach videos and photos from your gallery. Now if you're done with the code, you can click on post button. Now visit your profile page in order to see the code and repost you did. And that is how you can easily code post on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.